Hi, this is Ken from Zombie Squad in Pittsburgh. We're in Ocean City, Maryland, about 4 days after the hurricane came through. The water level is still, what is that, 3 or 4 feet above normal?
Yeah.
It's still 3 or 4 feet above normal, but during the hurricane, it was up to here. It was a foot above this wall right here that I'm now standing behind. Okay, that's how high the water was when it came in, the back door. So it destroyed all this carpeting. You can see this carpet is completely soaked still. Fortunately, the water just came through and went out and didn't leave a lot of silt and mud, but all the carpeting is ruined.
I think the bedroom got flooded. It smells like the mud basement.
Alright.
Having, perfect game. And you yank them. And it's not just...
Alright, here we are with all the carpeting we've taken out of the first floor. You can see how wet the padding was. You can just wring the water right out of it. You see it. Yeah, look at that. Lots of water in there. And there's still a lot of water inside. We'll go look at that now. So this is a destroyed mattress here. This is the garage. We're slowly drying the water. It's getting real slippery here, so this was a slipping hazard while we were taking carpeting out. And you can see the standing water through here. Hallway, bedroom. The bed frame we've determined is ruined. And yeah, you can see how much puddle of water we got. Our concern right now is this wall over here. It's going under the wall. So we want to get that water out of there so it doesn't get inside the wall and cause mildew problems all around here. The whole perimeter of this room was underwater. So we're going to move the fan in here to get the airflow going out. And then we're going to spend the rest of the day sweeping water out through the garage.
The next one will be a little easier.
That is a set of keys.
Yeah, I guess so.
Look over here. Make sure there's nothing over here.
I'm gonna look around underneath the deck.
Okay.
In here, see, it didn't have any insulation in here,
Alright.
and that's because, see, right here was where we added this wall between here and here. See, this used to have bifold doors on there, and you could open it up and put the boat all the way back into here,
Right.
and that's why that section doesn't have insulation in it.
Shit floated away, busted up.
the dock up here.